Hello guys, today we'll be learning how to set a repository on Altium. So basically this is used for version control, which is a system responsible for managing changes to computer programs, documents, any other collections of information. And here in Altium it is going to be managing our project and its file. So let's get started. So we can set the repository on the preference menu here on the right top. So we go to data management and then we go to design repository. So we can either create a new one or connect to an existing repository. So if we go to see what is it like to connect to a new one, so we have the checkout path, which is the local folder we're going to make change on, and the repository, which is the folder where we'll have to go through SVN commits and other commands to make changes. So in this video we're going to see how to create a new one. So we click on create new SVN and then we will have two paths to set. Again, the path for checkout is the local folder where we're going to make change on locally, and the repository location is where we'll have to go through SVN commands to make changes. So I have two folder path here. So a local folder, which is the checkout path, and the repository, which is the repository location. So now we have a second repository since I have a repository already. So we click on apply, OK, and now if we try to create a project on version control, this is going to be possible if we choose the right repository. We can create as many as we want. So create random project here. PCB1. This is the name for the project, and this is the subfolder in the repository. We create it. And now I just created a new project, so I can commit it. It has nothing, but I can still commit it. And there's other commands that we can use too. So you click on commit, and yeah, you write a comment about what you've done. So here we're going to write that we have created a project. Create a project, and we commit. Now you can see here that our project is committed, and now we can access the version that we have committed through the checkout window. And here, if we go to repo 2, we can see that it has been successfully committed. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and see you in another video.